at the Ritz Carlton tree lighting ceremony. I can't really say first one's here, but right in the front row. Right in the front row.
And I said, I'm not going to do that again this year.
Which one did you want? Did you want the chocolate?
I'm filming. I'm filming.
Yeah, so go get Lily and then bring her down.
We're ready, and I got it.
Ena au makua na kukuna kawaka hiko ke ia aina kukawa o e ho no he oi ki ia pule e na leo ki ia hui. We ask that you hear our voice and hear this prayer. We ask that you always give us the reason to celebrate this season. We ask that you allow us to share and to remember others at this time. We live in a beautiful place on earth. We thank you for this fresh air. We thank you for the great cathedral and for this beautiful stained glass that you have given us at this cathedral. So as we celebrate the 17th year of giving, may there be many more. We wish good health to everyone here. Good health, prosperity, family, friends, support, so that we may be giving forever and ever, as long as we are here within this realm. Amama uanoa lele ki pule. Let these prayers fly to the heavens above, and let us give as much as we can. Thank you. Are you guys ready for a great night?
To God, the King of Kings, wonderful little child, wonders never.
Maybe for the King far up above, the things we did, the joy and laughter, and when I need something to hang on to, these memories of happiness keep shining through. And I'd like to say to you on this special day, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to This is a song called I Wish Christmas Was Every Day. I wish Christmas was every day, so the world would be happier in every way. Love and peace would be here to stay. I wish Christmas was every day. To the years we all be together. If the fates allow, hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself Christmas. Happy song, a merry little Christmas. Everybody. I have no poor boy to cover up a bum. I have no gift to bring, cover up a bum.
Santa Claus is here. Thank you. You know what? Don't go anywhere. Because as Santa is here, we still have the Lahaina Baptist choir there.
Waiting in line for Santa. Under protest.
Yeah, I got it.
No, Santa's going to give me a new motorcycle this year.
All right.
Perfect. You can slide over there.
Here. I'm sorry. The only way we take pictures here. Oh, no, Dad. Oh, no. Oh, that's not fair. You gotta put your arm around Santa. There you go. Okay, here we go. Take this. Do this for a second. My arm is gonna run you back, okay? There we go. Now step forward. There we go. Smile now, you guys. So you trying to get away. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, no, not at all.